We'll guide you through how to import JSON to Trello. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to transfer or restore data into Trello using a JSON file. Importing JSON helps save time, recreate boards quickly, and move structured data from other tools or backups, making workflow setup faster and more efficient without manually creating cards and lists. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to Trello.com by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing Enter on your keyboard. After the website loads, open the board you want to use so you can manage your tasks in the correct workspace and ensure that you are working on the right project. Next, click the Power-Ups icon on the board menu to access additional features that can extend the functionality of your board. From the available options, click Add Power-Ups to open the list of integrations that you can install on your board. In the search bar, type Import to Board and wait for the results to appear. Once the result is displayed, click on the search result named Import to Board JSON for Trello so you can view its details and confirm that it is the correct power-up. After that, click the Add button to install the power-up on your board, then click Add again to confirm the installation process. Next, click Settings to configure the power-up according to your needs. Select Authorize Account to begin connecting the power-up with your Trello account. Then click Authorize with Trello to grant the necessary permissions so the power-up can function properly. Once it is authorized, click on the Import to Board JSON for Trello power-up to start using it. You will see an option that says Drag and drop your JSON file, or Browse to select your JSON file. Then click the option. Choose your JSON file from your computer and click Open to upload it into the power-up. After the file has been successfully uploaded, click Import All Lists to begin importing the data into your board. Now you have successfully imported the JSON file into your board. Go back to the board view, and you can see that the list from your JSON file now contain cards, confirming that the import process has been completed correctly and your data is now available on your board.